let's learn cultural studies for today. So, for today's cultural studies lesson, Miss Lydia will teach you about time. Time. And we are going to learn how to read a clock. And after that, we are going to do this worksheet. Let's start! Now, Miss Lydia will tell you about time and also clock. So, clock has three main parts. The first one is the round part. The round part is called the face of the clock. Clock face. Clock face. Can you say it? Clock face. Good. The second main part is the shorthand. Shorthand. Or the other name is hour hand. Hour hand. Can you say it? Hour hand. Great. Now, the last part or the third main part of the clock is the long hand. Or the other name is the minute hand. Minute hand. Can you say it? Minute hand. That's good. Jam memiliki 3 bagian utama. Yang pertama adalah bagian bulatnya. Bagian bulat tersebut disebut dengan wajah jam. Bagian yang kedua adalah jarum pendek atau jarum jam. Dan bagian yang ketiga adalah jarum panjang. Jarum panjang atau jarum menit. The hour hand is the one with the red color. Jadi, jarum jam atau jarum pendeknya adalah yang berwarna merah. And the long hand or the minute hand is the one with the green color. Sedangkan jarum panjang atau jarum menit adalah yang berwarna hijau. Now, let's try to read the clock together.
1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Do you notice how the red arrow or the hour hand keeps on moving around the clock pointing to different numbers? And the green arrow keeps staying on one place, pointing towards number 12. This is how we know what hour of the day it is. Apakah kalian memperhatikan bagaimana jarum pendek ataupun jarum jam yang terus bergerak mengelilingi jam sambil menunjuk angka yang berbeda? Dan jarum panjang atau jarum menitnya selalu terlihat diam di satu tempat menunjuk ke arah angka 12. Ini adalah cara untuk kita mengetahui jam berapa hari ini.
Okay, you already know how to read clock. Now, let's try to do this worksheet together. All you have to do is draw the shorthand or the hour hand based on the clock below the picture, like this one. Let Miss Lydia show you how to do it. Like Miss Lydia always told you, you have to write down your name first and then the date of the day. Write it with a pencil and hold the pencil like this. Just like that. Now, let's try to do the worksheet. To do this worksheet, you have to draw the shorthand on the clock to show the time. Jadi, untuk mengerjakan tugas ini, anak-anak harus menggambar jarum jam atau jarum pendek di gambar jam ini. Ketika anak-anak menggambar jarum jam atau jarum pendeknya, anak-anak harus menggambarnya sesuai dengan waktu yang tertera di bawah sini. So, if this time tell you to write 2 o'clock, then you have to draw the shorthand to number 2. Just like that. Please remember, when you draw the shorthand, you have to draw it shorter than the long hand. Jadi, ketika anak-anak menggambarkan jarum pendek atau jarum jamnya, anak-anak harus menggambarkannya lebih pendek dari jarum menit atau jarum panjang. Okay, Miss Lydia is done with the task. Now, Miss Lydia wants you to do the same thing at your home too. Remember, you have to draw the shorthand shorter than the long hand. And the placement of the shorthand should be the exact of the time that the picture show. Jadi, ketika anak-anak menggambarkan jarum pendek dari gambar jamnya, anak-anak harus menggambarkannya lebih pendek daripada jarum panjang atau jarum menit. Dan juga ketika anak-anak menggambarkan jarum pendek jamnya, anak-anak harus meletakkan jarum pendek atau jarum jamnya sesuai dengan angka yang tertera di masing-masing gambar. You can try to read the clock and also doing the worksheet. Remember, what you have to do at home is read the clock and then draw the shorthand of the clock, just like this. Please make a short video so Miss Lydia can see that you read the clock. If you're done with your task, please send the video to Miss Lydia. Miss Lydia will be waiting for your task. So, that's it for today's lesson. Goodbye everyone!